Y'all know what it is, get down like I'm unloading the clip. About time that I've been chosen, y'all can never block my shine with a solar eclipse. Own the game like I was Activision, I just took the throne and never asked permission. Now I count it up like I'm a mathematician. Fuck anybody telling me I'm acting different, I'm like, fall back and don't test the beast. Say they want smoke but won't step to me, otherwise they're gonna witness a grotesque defeat. Like die motherfucker but don't rest in peace. Bitch don't burn me, the info sure to be all on my dick. I spit so thoroughly, y'all got next but I live dope currently. Turning my cash into cryptocurrency. Everybody wanna follow where bingo. Bending backwards for me, there's limbo. Chef cooking, I be coming with the big dough. Anybody trying to get a slice gets kimboed. Came up, now the rest irrelevant. Tell them I be going in, no self-development. I'm a killer with the pen, don't test the rhetoric. Quit school, got rich, I'm a blessed degenerate. I've been a living legend, this is not a hobby, it's a sick obsession. You won't ever see me spend a minute stressing, running through these hurdles like an intersection. I've been given blessings that I won't waste, and my biggest weapon is my own faith. If a critic stepping, I'm a clipping testings with a Smith & Wesson. Like no, wait, better get running, no got a weapon, I'm talking but I've been ready to bust and I'm fucking bout to. They know the devil been summoned, no gotta tell them I'm coming. I got your brethren ducking when I surround you. Damn, too real to put them up on the billboards. What I got, they trying to get it in pill form.